everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Deeki and I'm making my first video, a quick and easy tutorial on iMovie. If you don't know what iMovie is, it's a free editing program that comes with every single Apple device, including your iPhone, your iPad, your iMac, or your MacBook. I'll be editing my videos and making my tutorials on my MacBook, so if you have one, feel free to follow along. You can locate your iMovie app by searching your dock for it right over here. Or if you can't locate it there, search for it in Spotlight Search by searching up iMovie. Or if you still can't seem to find it, you can click on the little Apple icon, go to App Store, and search for iMovie here. It should be the first thing that pops up. And then you can click Open. Now you may find that you need to update iMovie. And in that case, it'll say update here, so just go ahead, pause the video, and update the app. And eventually, you'll be leaded to this page, the iMovie home screen. As you start creating more and more projects, they're going to start appearing here as little boxes with their titles underneath. Now, you're going to want to click on Create New and Movie. And it'll take you to the iMovie editor screen. So, in this episode, we're going to be focusing on our My Media tab. In future tutorials, we're going to look at audio, titles, backgrounds, and transitions, and go into details on those. But for now, we're going to My Media. So in libraries, we have two categories, photos and all events. Under photos, we have all our photos that we've saved to this device in the Photos app. I have two backgrounds that I've used for my desktop, but you're probably going to have tons and tons of pictures that you've saved throughout the years. In all events, we have different movies that we've created on iMovie, so I created this movie called My Movie with some seagulls flying, and yeah. Under iMovie Library, we have the title of the movie and the assets that were used to create the movie. For example, in My Movie, I just had a video of seagulls flying, so I have that right here. And this iMovie Library tab is very useful if you're trying to recreate a project. You can just look at that and drag out everything that you need. So in this case, I think I'll make another video on seagulls. So to import media, you can either drag it out from here if you already have it under your My Movie tab or your iMovie Library, or you can click on this upload button and you can upload some videos or photos or audio from your computer. Another way that you can do it, also my personal favorite, is opening up Finder and dragging and dropping your footage out. So I'll leave the links to the audio and video that I'm going to be using in the description below, so feel free to follow along with me. So let's watch this quick video of the seagulls flying. Not the most interesting thing. But we can spice it up a bit, so open up your Finder again, or you can click on the Upload Media file and drag out some music. Like I said, I'll leave the links to the music and the video in the description. And now let's listen to this. Haha, that was actually really cool. I think the music was really fitting for that audio clip. As you can see, the seagulls ended very abruptly, so in a future tutorial I'll be telling you how to get rid of that and how to make the seagulls continue further. Also, the seagulls are really slow, so I'll be teaching you how to speed that up in a future video as well. So now this is one of the most important parts. You're going to have to export your video. So to export your video, you're going to click on this little button, click on Export File, and title your video. Another important part is to make sure that you have a good thumbnail for your video. For example, you don't want your video to have a black screen. You're going to want to have something that represents the video. So I like that. So I'm just going to leave my time bar over there and then click on the export again. Export file, and I'm going to title it Seagulls Flying. And you can change the description. Hee, hoo, hoo, I don't know. And then click on next. And you can save it to whatever folder you want. I'm going to be saving it to my Deeki Edits folder. Now, open up Finder, click on the folder that you saved it in. And as you can see, I have my Seagulls Flying MP4. I'm going to drag this into my episode 1 folder since that's where I'm storing everything for this video. And I'm going to click on play. See, it takes a bit of time to render, and that's what that little pizza slice Pac-Man thing is doing up in the corner. It's rendering the video because files with a lot of audio or video or slow motion usually take a while to render, so I'm just gonna play some music and we can wait for it to render. Okay, as you can see, the pizza slice is gone and the Quicktime Player logo turned into an actual birds flying video. So if we click on this, it opens it up in Quicktime Player and we can click play. Yeah, so you get the idea. So we can close out of this, and don't worry, this is gonna save. So I'm gonna title it Seagulls Flying. And you do this by clicking on projects to go back and then title it whatever you want and click OK. And it appeared in your projects tab. And you can close out of iMovie and then reopen iMovie. And it's right there under your projects. So feel free to close out of your windows and do all of that stuff, and it'll still be saved to iMovie. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful, and I'll make more detailed tutorials in the future. This was just a quick tutorial on the basics for beginners, so stay tuned for more. Have an amazing day. Bye!